Thanks for checking out Keto Country. Y'all, this is going to be a little bit different outside of my normal recipe video, but I just had to come on here and do a quick story time with you. I know my recipe videos sometimes look like I've got all my stuff together. I put all these videos out and they look good and they're finished products, all perfect, but y'all, I do not have all my stuff together sometimes. I am human. I'm just like y'all, so I needed to come on here and be held accountable to somebody, so I need to give y'all a story time of what has happened. So this apple has gave me more grief this evening, and let me tell you. So, little story time. Last week, I went to Walmart and I saw this, and it caught my eye, and I thought, what's the apple? I know they're not most keto friendly, but let me take a look at it. So I looked at the carbs. I was like, no, there's no way I can have that. So I put it back, went on about my business. Go back today to get some groceries to make some recipes tomorrow, which I've got some pretty good stuff I'm going to be doing. It's there again, and it's on clearance. They're on clearance. So I look at it again, and I'm like, I remember how many carbs are in it, and I know I can't have it. So I think, well, I'll get this for my granddaughters. So I picked 2 of them up, and I thought they'll like that for tomorrow, a treat. So let me show you. How many carbs are in this? 43 grams of carbs. Well, you've got 3 grams of fiber, but you've 40 grams of net carbs. I can't eat that. And some of you, you may not have struggled with weight loss. You may not understand the mental games that it can play on you. You might say, just eat it. Just eat it. Yeah. That could cause 2 or 3 days of overeating, of cheating, and I don't want to do that. I do have cheat meals every now and then, but I plan them out, and I feel more in control when I do that. These little spontaneous caramel apples are not going to get me. So I needed to be held accountable to somebody. I have been standing here I'm literally still packing groceries. I've been in my kitchen for 10 minutes arguing with this apple. I could hear it in the bag calling to me to eat it. I've been arguing back and for 10 minutes on whether to eat this thing or not. I'm not going to do it. It's not going to get me today. So I just needed to be held accountable to somebody and come on here and let you know that I'm human just like y'all. I am not going to eat that today. I'm going to stick with my tried and true sugar-free candy. They're probably not the best, but they're definitely better than that evil thing. So y'all, have a good evening. Like and follow for more keto recipes.